Want to get noticed online? There is no better way other than creating an eye-catching video. It is the better way to catch people's attention and turn them into loyal followers. Other than that, most people retain information by watching a video rather than text. So, it is definitely more effective approach when it comes to getting free traffic and convert them into more sales. But let's be honest, creating a video has never been easy. It is the most time-consuming work and require technical and designing skills. This might be the reason why most of the marketers and business owners end up paying someone, because simply they don't have the skills to create one. And the problem is most of them can't keep up with the price. Today, I got you covered. I have the perfect solution for that problem. Introducing EsyVid. EsyVid is a cloud-based software that lets you instantly turn any website or article into a fully-fledged video. It's also loaded with huge amounts of fully customizable slides templates from some of the most popular niches. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features. 1. Huge library of fully customizable templates. Slides templates in the hottest and in-demand niches. Customers get access to high-quality SVG slides templates in the most popular and in-demand niches. These templates come with professional graphics. No creativity, time, or money. Solved. Pro quality done-for-you slides templates to create videos. Users can personalize every element including logos, images, backgrounds, audio and more to create stunning videos in minutes. 2. Videos from websites, articles, templates. Create video from web pages or from scratch. Create videos in any style. Enter your website URL and EsyVid pulls out all your web pages and its content to create video and share, or just click from scratch if want your own handwriting. Getting full details of web pages and share them to social media sites. Details including links and titles of each images, descriptions, and body content of pages to make videos and share pages individually. Create videos from our huge articles or import from Notepad file. Create video using our own huge searchable article databases or your own article and content by importing from Notepad file. Choose how many slides you want for each page. You can select amount of slides for each video and setting slide duration to. 3. Advanced editor to customize your videos. Creative theme design to apply it on your projects. Minus tens of creative themes and background to select from. Click on themes and it automatically applies to all slides with one click. Advanced designing tool like Photoshop. With the tools like pencil you can type handwriting with easy and use draw tool to draw and apply any color you want. Select your desired font, change color size of text. Full control of tweaking content, changing font, color size. Full control over your slides or its content. You can set duration for your slides, duplicate, delete or edit its content. Change position of your slides to up and down. Infographic shapes and arrows to make your videos more explanatory. With hundreds of shapes and arrows from basic objects to symbols, arrows, flowchart, animals, music, electronics and many more categories. Object grouping, image blurring, undo and redo. Group your design content, give effect to your image's text, and the control of undo and redoing it. 4. Text to speech, 50 plus voices, fully edit content. Over 50 plus voices and the world's best text-to-speech engine. With over 50 plus voices, world's most spoken languages text-to-speech like English, French, Spanish, Dutch, German, Italian, Russian, Turkish, Chinese, Japanese, Korean and more. Positioning slides order. Full control over slides, changing positions to up and down, duplicate or deleting. Edit content and images at one go. If automatically fetched content and images are not wanted the way they are, you can easily change, edit, and delete them. Easy to manage and share your videos. Once EsyVid renders your video, downloading is a snap. Then, simply post to YouTube, Vimeo, your blog, website, Facebook or any other social media. 5. AI videos title creation and share to 200 plus sites. Automatic videos title creation. Our artificial intelligence-based software create titles automatically for your videos and give you option to download and share. Auto thumbnail display and share to top websites. Worried for SEO and views for your videos? We give option to share your video to over 200 plus websites. 6. Super fast video rendering with TTS option. Super fast, with less than 30 seconds. With less than 1 minute you can render high-resolution videos with tens of slides and set its width and height the way you want it. Text-to-speech from within rendering page. With text-to-speech, 50+ voices, world's most spoken languages, it is easy to add from within rendering page and download those videos directly from there. Music from public library or add, store from PC. Built-in music library or use your own auto-saved audio. Select from our big music library or reuse your own music. Text-to-speech, which is auto-saved use over and over without the pain of waiting for uploading process. Add audio from PC and store and use it for later. Upload music locally, use and store it and use later if you want without uploading it again. How does it work? No technical or video skills needed. You can definitely create a pro video in less than 1 minute. Check out the demo video here. Conclusion. There you have it. I hope this helps you make a wise decision. If you want to make it big, take action and leverage of the power of a video. And there is other software suitable to help you create an eye-catching video other than EsyVid. It is, indeed, the world's easiest full auto video creation software. Click the buy button now.